Good afternoon, everyone. Independence Day 2023. Yes, it's today, Independence Day. Welcome today. In the daily newspaper of Tuesday, July the 4th, 2023, 4th of July, yes, Independence Day. Not so good news because we have only one regular puzzle, the Medium Sudoku. We have no additional in this newspaper. Let me show you. What I will do is to solve. Yeah, let me show you first that there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. The yesterday's newspaper of Monday, July the 3rd. We have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic. I will do those 3 puzzles in the evening. But first, let me start with this one. Sudoku Medium number. This will be number 6698. 6698. Before I start, I always count the printed digits again. A lot of printed digits. 29 should be easier than the 1 star in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. For 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14 or 13 minutes, who knows. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 1 in this row, the one in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. Oh, we have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in this row, the 4 and the 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then let me see. 3, 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Oh wait, we have a pair again. 8 and a 9 in this column, 8 and a 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 and a 6. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. Yeah, I need a 2 here. I need a 2 here. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. 1 in the first row. 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. So. And now, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 6 here. Okay. Come on. 3, 3. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the column next, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, cannot continue with the 8 now. 5 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a pair, the 3 and 8 in this row, the 3 and 8 in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers the 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. How about the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Wait. Then. How about 9 and 8. Two missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 2 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Well. For medium Sudoku, well, is this really a medium? No. I think it's a light or a 0-star Sudoku. 10 minutes. We solve this in 10 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Independence Day. So we will see each other in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the yesterday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.